What are we doing here, Carly?
I have no clue where we're at right now, but we're taking pictures of turkeys and pheasants, and they supposedly, from what Rick said, had 2 snows. Rick supposedly fell in a pile of snow.
Who's this guy?
That is my assistant, Adam. He's the one that gives me the updates on the news.
Look at them things. Now, why don't you see these in October like this? Look at that.
Look, they're all the way up the road here. Oh, all over out in the field. Look at all of them.
What are they?
Those are pheasants. They're good eating. It's too cool to care. You never get them this close any other time.
Look at all of them around that tree, Mark.
Isn't that amazing? Checking out the road.
I'm trying to see how deep it is.
Seeing if his 4-wheel drive can get through here.
Oh, I see.
Well, maybe they need to plow the road here a little bit better. What do you think?
What is that one right there?
Come on, we can make it.
Yeah.
Come on. Chicken? Chicken? Try it. What's the matter, you chicken?
Yeah. You see how deep that alley that is?
There's the interstate where we could be
Please?
going 70 miles an hour.
Yeah.
And here's the road that Rick chose.
Are you gonna let me have one?
And as you can see, we aren't going any place.
Can I have another one?
What's going on back there?
Oh, tickling.
It's all the noise. When in doubt, follow the farmer with the big tractor.
Got her down now. See what the coolest path through there.
All right.
Man,
He's saying the heck with you. I ain't clearing it for you. I think that's a sign. Anything that goes down these roads, they don't last long. They're going to die.
so higher than the deep here.
I don't know if you can pick this up, but man.
Right down.
Thank God we found the farmer. Otherwise, we'd been here forever. Been like that horse back there. That's pretty amazing.
Jeez, look at that.
I wouldn't get too far behind him. I'd want to get right up there. This is going to drift over, and we're going to be stuck. Oh, now he's going to turn off and go home. We're on our own. Oh, no.
Holy shit.
Gee, Rick, what do we do now? You know, you said we're going to come out here and see the countryside. I just didn't know it was the same part over and over again. It's boating season, folks. What the hell? Where would they be taking that? What do they call those? Snow snakes? What is it?
The largest bullhead in South Dakota.
Imagine that.